Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Today I'll be vlogging and I'll be going on the road. I'll be going to Staten Island to help my friend Johnny move somebody to lean on. So we're going to move, we're going to lift up heavy furniture, all them little thing there. So I say, you know what, let me vlog it, let me vlog my journey. Also, my mask is in my bag if people wondering why you don't have any mask. You go out in public, it's a bit hot or humid. So I'm going to jump on buses, trains, ferry. I'm going to catch all of that footage for you. Post on the vlog, catch some of the moving for you guys as well. You guys probably know Johnny already. So yeah, that too. So this is the first time I'm going to take a bus, train, all of that in a long while. I haven't taken much like a bus since the whole pandemic started. So yeah, but anyway, this is what I'm wearing. One of my favorite shirt, short pants and shoes, because after all it's summer, it's June and it's hot, so you know, you dress down and stuff, so hopefully not too much sweating. But yeah, so right now just waiting for a bus. The bus them run abnormal. Yeah, so just waiting for a bus and jump on that. Then the train. I just want to also say thanks to everybody that keep watching the channel. Thanks for all the views, you know, thanks for everything that you do. You know, please watch the ads because that pays. I'm going to try to promote that more. Don't click off the ads, just watch the ads because it helps. And it helps to build the channel. So remember to subscribe and share all the new and old gingerbread and jelly bean. I appreciate each and every one of you. I see a bus coming, but it's not like a regular bus. It's like a dollar van. So I don't know if you can see it. So maybe it's a dollar van. Who knows? Yeah, it's a dollar van. So this is the dollar van. I think they're working again. Morning. Yes, I have my mask in my bag because it's hot. I don't put it on yet. Yeah, man, I have it in my bag, man. You know, cause I don't know it's the rule now.
No, you're free, man.
Yeah, cause I know it.
You're free, man.
Yeah, it's hot outside, man. So you know.
I wonder how you're managing the sound.
Well, to ride a bicycle, oh. So it kind of, you know, regulate the breathing already, so it's not too bad, you know, so I can manage it. Oh. Yeah. So, yeah. So on the bus now, heading over to the dollar van. For everybody in New York that knows the dollar van, they move very fast compared to the regular bus. So it's like an express service, and it is 75 cents cheaper. So a lot of people support it, and it is regulated, so it's not illegal or anything like that. It's fully regulated, they fully have the license, you know, and it's properly governed. So, you know, I mean, it's a good service, and you know, people do enjoy it and take it. You know, a lot of people prefer it compared to the regular bus that stop everywhere. So yeah. So when I reach down to Jamaica, down to the next transition point from the bus to the train, then I bus you guys. But again, remember to subscribe and share, and please, I'm asking you to enjoy this vlog. So JVLOGS, super. So I'm gonna like for the echo in it. So 1 second. Hey guys, so I'm off the bus now. I'm walking down to the Jamaica terminal to take the train, Long Island Railroad. Takes like 22 minutes to reach Manhattan from Queens, where I'm at right now. Yeah, vlogging, yeah. Yeah. So it takes like 22 minutes to get from Queens, Jamaica Ave, to Penn Station, Long Island. So I'm about to go down there because the bus stop up there on Archer. So I'm going to take that, and then from there I'll take an next train down to the ferry, and from the ferry to Staten Island. So it's quite a journey, but the Amtrak allow you to travel quicker. Not the Amtrak, the Long Island Railroad cut down the time for you quickly, so you should reach in short amount of time. But yeah, so you guys are taking some of the views, and I'll catch you when I'm on the train. No, not alive, just vlog with the camera. Outside nice for me. Only no sugar. I go buy a train ticket. Alright guys, so I'm in the train right now. As you can see, I just walk in, go on the train. Everything is automated, so you can buy the ticket on your phone and you can scan the ticket from your phone. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So when the conductor come, he can just scan the ticket from the phone. So I never wanted to buy it in advance, but I'm gonna buy it now. So yeah. So catch up when the conductor is coming to scan the ticket. Super. these are the new systems that they have.
Sufficient fear.
See if I have money on my card. So I had a little trouble getting through a while ago because the cards weren't accepting the touchless pay.
When you arrive, you must wear a mask or covering that protects your nose and mouth. If you forgot your mask, please go to the station booth. Stay safe.
So the train coming now. Pay for everything. So we're about to go on the Staten Island ferry right about now. People are coming off. They wait until everybody come off, then you know we can go on, so there's no chaos with people hustling and bustling. They have an exit side over there where you walk to that side. So yeah, this is the ferry. Yeah, hello? that right there is the Statue of Liberty. Thank you, thanks.
Go in the car.
Alright guys, so I've reached Staten Island. So my friend Johnny is gonna come and pick me up now. I don't even know which side. So I'm just gonna wait on a phone call from him to basically see where he's gonna come and pick me up. But yeah, I've reached. It was a nice little trip. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye. Hope you guys like the vlog. Remember to subscribe and share for more. Give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you like it or not. Remember to watch your advertisements, that pays the bill. So JVLOGS, Plunkett, I'm out guys.